Hello children, today we are going to learn about shrubs. Shrubs are woody plants with multiple stems and are generally smaller than trees. Some common shrubs include Eclipha, Musenda, Jasmine, Lantana, Juniper, etc., which are also grown at homes. In this video, we'll learn about some of these shrubs. So let's begin. Eclipha is a large genus of evergreen ornamental shrub which grows up to 3 meters tall, but some species are dwarf and are often grown in hanging baskets or as ground cover. They are grown for both the foliage and flowers. The flower stalks are 10 to 20 centimeters long. Heart-shaped leaves are green, softly hairy and broadly ovate with pointed tips. Its fruits or berries are very attractive. It can be propagated easily from stem tip cuttings. Musenda species, also known as Ashanti blood red flag bush or a tropical dogwood, is an evergreen West African shrub. The bracts of the shrub may have different shades including red rose, white, pale pink or some mixtures of that. It is semi-erect shrub which grows up to 2 meter height. Flowers are about 3 centimeter long, full of red, small hairs. These are propagated through seeds as well as cuttings. Kaliandra is a herbaceous perennial shrub that can grow tall but also spreads wide. The red powder puff flower is attractive to butterflies and hummingbirds. Bipinnately compound leaves with 5 to 10 pairs of leaflets per pinna open with copper pink color but mature to dark green. It is propagated through seeds. Bougainvillea grows as a woody vine or shrubs reaching 15 to 40 feet. It has heart-shaped leaves and thorny pubescent stems. The flowers are generally small white or pink with brightly colored modified leaves called bracts. The best time to take cuttings from Bougainvillea is late spring to midsummer when growth is most rapid and abundant. The plant can be multiplied through seed or stem cuttings. Cestrum species is an evergreen woody shrub growing up to 12 feet. It is popularly known as night blooming jasmine or Raat ki Rani in Hindi. The leaves are simple, narrow, lanceolate, 6 to 20 centimeter long and 2 to 4.5 centimeter broad. These are very smooth and glossy with the entire margin. The flowers are greenish white with a slender tubular corolla which is 2 to 2.5 centimeter long with acute lobes. In the night, it produces a powerful sweet perfume. The fruit is a berry and the propagation of this plant is generally done through cuttings. Kamini is a large multi-trunked shrub but can grow to become a small tree. It can be pruned and also grown as a garden hedge. The evergreen leaflets are dark green and pinnately compound with 3 to 9 leaflets arranged alternatively along the spine. The flowers are small, oval, red fruits with 1 or 2 seeds. The flowers have an aromatic orange-like fragrance. The shrub is usually propagated from seed. Hibiscus species is a bushy evergreen shrub or small tree growing 8 to 16 feet tall and 5 to 10 feet wide with glossy leaves and solitary brilliant colored flowers ranging from red to yellow, orange and pink. The leaves are often lobed and may be smooth or covered plant hairs. The flowers can be borne singly or in clusters. It is propagated through seeds and cuttings. Ixora is a genus of flowering plants. It consists of low-growing tropical evergreen trees and shrubs which can grow up to 25 meters tall. It is grown in a greenhouse or a potted house requiring bright light. It is commonly 4 to 6 feet in height but capable of reaching up to 12 feet high. The glossy, leathery, oblong leaves are about 4 inch long. Propagation of the shrub is through stem cuttings which ranges from 3 to 8 centimeter long. Rooting in cuttings can be promoted with the help of a rooting hormone. Nerium species, popularly known as Kaner, is an evergreen tropical shrub or small tree or bushy shrub with cane-like stems. Its leaves are glossy green in color. They are covered in the waxy coating to reduce water loss. Its stem is green, turning silver or grey as it ages. It bears sweet scented flowers and are white, pink, deep red and cream in color. Nerium has various medicinal uses and the leaves and flowers are thought to have actions as the expectorant. Juniperus species is a dioecious evergreen conifer. It can grow up to 40 meter tall with low spreading trailing branches. These are evergreen shrubs with needle or scale like leaves. Male and female reproductive structures usually are born on the separate plants. Fruits are berry like structures with 1 to 12 unwinged hard shelled seeds. It is grown as an ornamental and are useful for the timber. The oil of juniper distilled from the wood and leaves of several species is used in perfumes. Fire bush, also known as hummingbird bush, is a fast growing semi-woody evergreen shrub that can grow up to 15 feet tall under ideal conditions. But usually it stays smaller. Leaves are elliptical to oval, about 13 centimeter long and grey velvet hairy underneath with reddish veins and leaf stalks. It produces showy clusters of bright reddish orange or scarlet tubular flowers, each about 2 centimeter long. Lantana plants are evergreen shrubs with broad leaves. It is a common weed plant and can be grown as shrubbery along paths and roads. It can grow up to 6 feet or more in height. Leaves are ovate in shape, oppositely arranged, commonly 6 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. The lantana leaves feel like sandpaper. The plants are grown for their rounded clusters of small brightly colored flowers. Flowers are mix of red, orange, yellow or blue and white florets. So children, you have learned about shrubs in this video. And I am sure you will be identifying some of these plants in your homes or in the garden around your homes. You can also download plant identification apps on your mobile and use those for identifying these shrubs. Keep a note of the plants that you have identified in your notebook and enjoy learning.